Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to edit Slug for a dynamic URL in Wix. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to your Wix site editor. After you navigate to the site editor, you will have to click on this Pages and Menu button, that is the third option from the top. After you click on Pages and Menu, you will see this option. So you will see a list of pages and menus for your site. Simply click on Site menu and choose the page where you want to edit the URL slug. You can choose any one of these pages. So we are going to click on Site and Menu, and from this click on this three-dotted icon just after any page and select Settings. Now from these options you'll have to click on SEO Basics and scroll down and select URL slug, that is last part of pages URL. Simply click on this and edit this anyhow you want. Now after you edit and enter a new URL slug, you'll have to enter the title tag. You can also add meta description. Then simply go back and click on the save button. After you click on save, you would have successfully edited URL slug of your dynamic URL. So that's how you edit slug for dynamic URL in Wix. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.